morning, guys. It is Sunday today. Got a pole barn repair job I gotta go do. It's actually gotten several broken roof trusses from the heavy snow we got last winter. It's just kind of getting to it now to get it fixed. So we have 3 trusses that are actually busted in half. And then he wants to repair all 9 of them, strengthen them up a little bit. So we're going to sheet them in the middle with 7/16 OSB. So we'll show you that process when we get there. We'll see you at the job site. Here's where we're at. Fixing broken trusses. Older pole barn. We had so many of these older galvanized pole barns go down this year because fix it up so this pole barn can survive another 50, 60 years. Guys, here's what we got going on. We're jacking in 3 different places, trying to get that bow out of there. So trying to jack this up a little bit, getting about 3 to 4 inches out of it. Alright, here's what we got fixed so far. Tell me if you can see where it ain't fixed yet. There it is. Got that left. New guy down here. Making him work on Sunday, he's mad at me. To every truss. Still plugging away. One truss at a time.